I don't know how else to say this, but just to say it, I am 45 years of age. Okay? I'm a mother of 4. I have a 28-year-old, 26, 24, and an 11-year-old. Who told me to go and have another child? Anyway, I have an 11-year-old. And let me tell you something. For everything that I have been through, this body has been through some up and down. All right? And now we're playing field. We are just moving forward. So I don't want to hear anything from anybody talking about you can't make a change, because I've heard this one too many times. I see a lot of older women and gentlemen just the same looking at my videos. Oh my goodness, I couldn't even imagine doing that. Why can't you imagine doing that? You can do anything you put your mind to. With practice and patience, you will get it. So, at 45 years of age, I feel better, I look better than I ever have, and I'm doing so much more than I've ever done. And I'm very happy for that. You see the abs? Never had them abs. 2 C-sections, look at the abs. It can be done. It's possible, so don't for a minute think that it can't be. All right? Yes? Okay. All right, we're moving into our third segment. Third segment is all about Pilates. So we're going to do a full Pilates session, okay? You can execute this at 3 sets, 12 reps per each set, okay? You can do it a total, or you can split it up. 1 set, right, in rotation for 3 sets total. Whatever works comfortably for you. Pilates is new for me. I don't do a whole lot of Pilates. I haven't done a whole lot of yoga, but I'm so much more in touch with myself right now that I feel like accelerating means learning different scopes in the industry of fitness. And for me, Pilates and yoga is not just a physical, but it's also so very mental. So let me go ahead and share with you what we're about to do today. So the first workout is called an imprint. For this one, you're laying on your back, knees bent. You're gonna pull your belly button nice and tight right into the back wall of your back, okay? Breathing in, exhale down and pull belly button in and repeat and relax. That's what we're gonna do for the first one, all right? Workout number 2 is called the toe touch. You're gonna lay flat on your back, knees bent, okay? And you'll see as I demonstrate. Toes pointed forward. You're gonna lift your knee at a 90-degree angle, and you're gonna repeat to each side. Inhale up, exhale down. So as you lift your leg up on that 90-degree angle, you're gonna decline. And as you decline, you're gonna be lifting the other leg up, and you're just gonna keep repeatedly going back and forth, okay? And remember, any movement that you're doing that has you laying on your back, make sure that you get your back nice and flat so that it's flat to the floor. We don't wanna have that arch, okay? We want good stability on the core. We wanna keep it nice and tight, and we wanna prevent injury at the same time. Workout number 3 is called chasing toe touch. For this one, again, pretty much for all of our workouts with this Pilates session, we'll be on our back. So laying on your back, slowly you're gonna bring your knees up, and as you're bringing the right leg up, you should be lifting or bringing the left leg down, and you're gonna repeat that simultaneously. So right leg up, left leg down, keeping your toes pointed forward. You want to keep your abdominal nice and tight. Remember to inhale and exhale. Keep your belly button nice and tightly tucked in, sucking in toward the back of your spine. Okay. Workout number 5 is going to be our leg extension. So for this workout, you're again laying on your back. Bend your knees at your kneecap till legs are fully bent, okay? Keeping the core nice and tight, back flat to the mat, okay? You're gonna keep those knees up is what you're doing. You're gonna keep them up bent, all right? You're gonna keep them there. We can do a 20-second count for this one, release, and then repeat, all right? Good stuff. Workout number 6. So workout number 6 is the swimmer, and let me tell you, it is phenomenal because it literally is like it's prepping you to learn how to be a swimmer. So as crazy as it sounds, when you see this, you'll understand what I'm speaking to. So let me share with you how we do this. Laying on your stomach with your legs and arms stretched out away from your body, okay? Right arm up and left leg up, okay? Up and then high, bring them up nice and high, and then slowly release, then repeat to the other side, okay? It's almost like you're doing a freestyle, right? But instead of lifting your arm up, back, and over, you're just gonna stretch it out. At the same time, you're stretching your leg up and out parallel to that arm that you've raised, okay? Exhale as the arm goes up, and inhale as the leg goes down. Get a nice tight squeeze at the top, and then you're gonna repeat. Okay? Workout number 7 is your side leg raises. So this is kind of fun. You're gonna get onto the side, okay? You can either have your elbow tucked to the side, holding up your head, whatever works comfortably for you, or you can be pressed up on your elbow, all right? And you're gonna take your leg and you're gonna raise it up, and then you're gonna decline it down, okay? Up and down. Release and then repeat to the other side, okay? Workout number 8, now this is a good one. It's called the breaststroke. This was absolutely fun. I'd never done this before until the other day when I was practicing for this purpose, and I thought it was quite interesting. It was taxing on me physically, and I'm a pretty strong lady, but being it's something new, definitely something different. So laying flat on your stomach, legs straight back and arms straight forward, okay? That's where we start. Bring your arms up in front as if to do a breaststroke, okay? Once hands touch, bring arms out and away from the body as if actually doing the breaststroke. Legs stay lifted off the ground the entire time. Keep the chest hovering off the ground and repeat. Workout 9 is our side crunch. Y'all know what this says. We all don't really like doing them, but we need to work on those side obliques. It's a very important thing because the core, this here, very, very important. And you all should know the importance of the core is helping with the functions of the upper body, and it's helping with the functions from everything from the waist down. So if you have a weak core and you have challenges with your upper body or your lower body, chances are this area needs some work, okay? So that's something we definitely want to pay attention to. So for the side crunch, laying on your side, bring knees up into a bent position towards your core, okay? So you're gonna bring your knees close into your core, or you can leave your legs stretched out, squeeze up through the side obliques, keeping arms straight to your side, keep your belly button sucked in nice and tight, and then flip to the other side and repeat and do the same thing, all right? Workout 10 is gonna be your traditional crunch. So you're gonna lay flat on your back, knees bent up with feet to the floor, arms over your head. Bring your arms over your head and crunch up. Hands should touch your knees, release, and repeat. That concludes our Pilates for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to learning more about these particular workouts as well and bringing it to you. Thank you. Make sure to click for your warm-up and click the link for your click the link for, I don't like that jiggle. That's all muscle though. That's muscle jiggling over there. Click the link for your warm-up and click the link for your cool down.